Introducing aPriori.
And then for Carrier, we're a much older company certainly, and because of that, baselining products is much harder. In particular for supplier parts, when you look at some of our products, what's involved with them from a commodity standpoint that we don't produce. You will not find suppliers that are necessarily willing to hand on over all the information that you're looking for. So that's kind of more where value engineering, our team in particular, is very good for baselining some of these supplier products. Because design teams, very often I have been finding, recently I was at our Mont-Luel site over in France, and there is probably our pioneering group when it comes to doing life cycle analyses and environmental product declarations. I was stunned at some of the material assumptions that team was making, largely due to the fact that they are still getting into the system. They're still understanding the own products that they create. And because of that, that's where our team is very strategically located to be able to do baselining on supplier products. So we will do teardowns on these things. We will weigh the parts. We will understand what the material is, and then we will bring it into aPriori to be able to make an energy model and a carbon footprint model that then can get backfed into the LCA, and that really creates some of the most accurate LCA information that we can create, and that is what we put out into the marketplace. When it comes to our own products, certainly it kind of relates back to something I mentioned this morning around the PLM integration. Being able to show a carbon footprint for every part that we design inside our own PLM system is a game changer for us. So then now I can see from a revision standpoint, each new revision now I can see what happens to the carbon and the cost at the same time. So because of that, we're now able to actually do baselines, whereas right now, going forward, we haven't had this capability before. So for supplier products though, I would say that's where we're seeing a lot of the returns.
aPriori, making profitability and sustainability a reality for a better world.